Hello, good morning, good morning. Hello, everybody. My name is Diggs, and today we're going to play Outlast 2. And welcome back once again. Huy! Up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ba't ka bumababa? Diba? Kamusta mga pagmumukha yung lahat? Hello? Medyo na busy ba tayo? Diba? Diba nga? Tagal-tagal no? Minsan kasi sinusumpong ka ng kasipagan. Di mo matapos-tapos tong laro na to. Di actually ano ko rin, tawag dito. Tinitipid ko rin kasi baka wala na tayong malaro. Well, anyways, going back to the last time that we left, umuulan ng dugo, right? Right. Gandang maga sa mga pagmumukha nyo lahat. Anong oras na ba to? Time check, 5:01. Time check ay hatid sa inyo ng shawarma ni Pearl. Sa unang kagat, gulay lahat. Huy! Ah! Let's go, let's go! Kambo. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin tapusin within this day to. Within this day. Within this fine morning. Huy! Parang may narinig ako dito na umiiyak the last time that we left. Can I go in? Combo? No? Alright. Is Marta going to be here? Hello? My wife? Are you here? Going to touch my butt? What's that? I heard someone speaking. Or is that a figment of my imagination? Huy! Uy, ang laki ng no, patong sa ulo ni ng guest natin for today's video. Ang ating mahal na pastor. Hello? Diba? 10 million, no? Pastor, kung nasan ka man. Oh. 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 Excuse me, are you alive? Are we goats? Should we proceed? With caution? Diba? Kaway-kaway sa mga nagtatago dyan. Hambo. Shoutout nga pala sa ating mga tropa, sa ating mga pinsan at kamag-anak. Shoutout kay Darren Nale. Boy, kumusta ka dyan, boy? How's Manila treating you? Are we good? Okay, fuck. What the fuck just happened? Someone locked me in. Hello? What should I do? Is someone gonna touch my butt? Okay! Wala. Hatog ka. Wala. Wala. Hello? I'm seeing ice. Fuck. Kinikilabututan ako, mga kaibigan. Hello? Ba't ganito yung boses ko? Dahil wala ka pang tulog? Ganun ba yun? Kaway-kaway sa may mag-shift na today, diba? Happy Monday sa mga pagmumukha nyo. Ready na ba kayong pumasok? Hello? Chapter 13. And by these signs shall thou shall thou know of nearing breach of Hellscan. Oh, mga pinagsasabi na naman yan ni ano. Papa Noth? Bro, you good? Hotdog! Okay. Okay pa tayo. Should I stand? Ibang vibes ang nararamdaman natin. I believe that someone is going to chase us here. So, i-ready ko natin ang ating mga puso. Kaway-kaway sa mga may sakit sa puso dyan. Sana okay lang kayo. Hello? Wala. Practice lang. Hotdog ka? Wala. Okay. Should I close this? Okay. Wala. Wala batutan ako. Let's just crawl. What? No! Okay. Wala. Matapang tayo, matapang. What's up with the flying heads and everything? Hello? I don't want to proceed. What's up with the parts? Dismembering parts? Dismembered parts. Past tense. Uy! Tabo. Wala. Hello? Bro, I don't like this, bro. Claustrophobic vibe. Hello? I'm hearing someone. Are we all good? Fuck that.
The mine entrance is usually on the top floor.
Okay. Let's just pause for a while. Ayusin lang natin, may technical issue tayong kinakaharap. Para ko si Ray Langit, ha. Yeah. Hello? Very good. Uy, kaway-kaway sa ano laging nagla-like sa akin pinsan ko. Tsaka ang aking ama. The one and only #1 fan. Uy. Shout out Arnel Diggs. Teka lang, kuha lang tayo ng pang thumbnail. Huwag kang gagalaw. Hotdog ka. There. Muy perfecto. Muy perfecto. Hambo. How many batteries do we have? Okay, not bad, not bad. It's a good start. Hello? I'm hearing someone. Fuck bro. Nakasan na lang ng loob to. Hello? Reload na tayo. Hotdog! Wala. Okay. Fuck you! Wala. Thank you po. Hey! Fuck you!
We tried to get her back before
bro?
the enemy cracks her womb. But they
Wait, Lynn? Have you seen her?
they killed us.
Who?
The lucky ones they killed. Get out. We have to leave. We have to go.
Where, bro? Wait lang. Yung vibes niya parang ano, yung sa what do you call this? Outlast Outlast Whistleblower, yung The Groom. We need to go where? Squeeze me. Squeeze me. Squeeze my butt. What the fuck? I'm back at the school. I hate this part. Can I go back? No? Why? Bro, ayoko ng part na to. Hello po. Tampo. May habol naman sa akin dito eh. Dito yung si Father, ano, hindi ko ma-pronounce yung pangalan niya. Lock. Gawa-gawa. Lock in. Hello? Anyone? Ba? Eh pag ganun pa kasi, nakakadagdag sa atake sa puso eh. Who's that? Okay, okay. Bakit nilak? I'm not liking this shit. Hello? Anyone? Ay, ka ba? Wala. Okay, sorry po, sorry po. Hello? Battery? Is that battery? Thank you. Mind if I... Okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Nasaan na kaya si Pastor, no? Is that you, Pastor? Pastor Quibuloy? Swerte nung makakapagpaturo sa kanya, no? 10 million din yun. Easy money da. Easy. Hello? Is this open? No? Should I go here? Oh. What should I do here? Do you have something from me? Pick up the battery, alright. Alright, not that. What's that? Bandage.
How the fuck do I get out of here?
That's the same question as always, no? Pag pumapasok tayo sa ano natin. Op. Hello? Someone just kicked the door here, so I think this is... No? Okay, parang galing na tayo dito, right? Hello? Wala naman. I tried to open this, it's jammed. Fudge. Interact. Jessica has joined. This works. Hello, Blake, against the machine. This is weird. I can see over type A. Turn around. Fuck. I will close my eyes. Turn around. Every now and then I get... Hotdog. Wala. What's that? I saw something. Can we reload? Nakita ko yung image ni Jessica na nakabitin. Am I hallucinating? Based sa mga nakakalap nating ano, diba? I can see you. What was the other thing on your screen? What the fuck? The window you closed when I was coming over? Nothing. Just messing around. I still haven't figured this computer thing out. Can help you anytime. Then sweeping at... Fuck. Kailangan ko pumikit. Hello? What's happening to the computer? Where should I go? Hello? Useless naman to, di ba, pag ginamit natin? Okay. Now the doors are open. Hello? Pastor? Can you say stop? Please. Can I open this now? It's locked. Hotdog. Wala. Okay. Diba? Pastor? Makakuha na ba ako ng 10M dito? Hello? Wala. Are we going to be chased by the pastor again? Hello? It's locked? Okay. 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 Kinikilabatutan na ako. Let's just get on with it. Exit? Should I exit here? Is this the right way? No? Okay. I'm just trying. I'm just checking. Why is this door open? Should I go here? Hey, Jessica. I know, right? I am not. Can you help me, though? Tambo? Should... Okay. Shh. Huh? Mali ako. Parang mali. Mali ako nang inikutan. Umikot lang ako, diba? Did I? Oo, umikot lang tayo. Good job. Another great gameplay by Diggs. Guys, again, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please na no? Kindly check that out. Di pa ako nakakapag-upload lately. Kasi nga, na-busy tayo. But please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. And that will be highly appreciated. Salamat sa mga pagmumukha nyo, if ever. Diba? Hello. Tambo. Anyone here? Should I? We have to exit. No, this one is closed. It's jammed. Fuck you! Oh fuck! Hotdog, 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 hotdog. Where should I be going? Where should I be going? Where should I be going? Should I be running? Is this the right thing to do? I'm confused. Am I being chased? Is that you, Pastor? Fuck you! Am I dead? What now? Ah. What the fuck just happened? Hello? Okay, now we're back. I hate that place. Promise. Ayoko talaga yung place na yun. Mas creepy siya. Hello? Hello, guys? Tambo? Should I explore or should I proceed? Okay, nothing to go. I mean, nothing, not... Hotdog! Who's that? Who's that shouting? Should I hide? Hello? There's no way there. I'm hearing someone. Is that you, Chris Walker? How many
The
batteries do
mine
we
entrance is usually on the top floor.
have? I know, right? How many batteries do we have? Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. Let's proceed with caution. Hello, buddy. Hello. Kasi sense ko talaga na may something dito. Battery. Do you have any battery for me? Okay, what's this? Later, later, later. I think I don't need that for now. Okay, hide. Let's just hide. Hotdog. Wala. Okay. Wala pa naman so far. It's locked. So we need to crawl. Everybody sees it's you. I'm the one who lost the view. Who's that? Ay, fuck. Hello? Are we good? Tampo! Alis yan! Ah! Alis yan! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Should I hide here? I think I should. And bandage that shit. May kilabatutan ako. Hello? Are you there? Ang creepy ng ayos niya. Ah. Dito siya. Teka lang. Pagplanuhan natin ito mabuti. Charis. Nakikipag lang. Hello? Please don't. Fuck you, bro. Run, bro. Run. I don't care. Run, bitch. Parkour. Run, bro. Ah, gago na! My butt is clenching right now. Wait. I think we're good. I think we're safe. The fuck, bro? We're not. Where should we be going? Let's push this shit. Faster, bro. Run. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. I think so. Right. Did you? Okay. I don't think I should be going this way. Hello? Is this the right way? Is this where should I be going? I don't know. I'm confused. Should I jump? Is there no other way, right? Yun lang talaga, bro. I think so. Hello?
How the fuck do I get out of here?
I know, right? We're always ending up in your mind. Uy. Mas iniisip mo, Blake? What's up with you? It's locked. Right? It's locked. Okay. Jessica, is that you? Oh, fudge. Ang daming Jessica. Uy. Ano ba to? Palo Sebo. Hey! Should I proceed? Where? Hello? I think God is the way, right? Jesus Christ! No? Run, bro. Tampo? No? Someone is definitely there, waiting for me to touch my butt. Is that you, Pastor? Pastor Kibuloy? Magkakaroon na ba ako ng 10 million? Dahil sa'yo. Sana all, no? 10 million. Hello? Okay, who's that? Okay, I think we just passed that. Oh, hello? Nakita niyo po ba si Pastor, mga father? Hello? Someone is chasing me behind me. Someone is behind me. I can see it in the shadow. So that is not the way, right? Right. Okay, bumukas na siya. Alright. We're good. I think we're good. For now. Okay. Okay, stop glitching. My butt. Stop glitching my butt. Hello, nakita niyo po si Pastor? Kibuloy yung nagsasabi na stop. Hey! Fuck, I hate this place, bro. Anong place? Hello? What now? What now? What now? Kampo? Knock knock. Shoutout nga pala sa mga pinsan ko, no? Nag-reunion yata sila sa bahay ng aming tita. Kaway-kaway sa mga pagbumukha nyo lahat. Hello. Hello? It's confusing. It's like a maze. I'm not sure if I'm going in the right direction. Ah! Okay. Sorry po, sorry po. Gulat lang po. Nagulat. Tao lang. Hey, battery. Hello, sir? Run, bro. Run, bro. Is that you, Pastor? You're going to touch my butt? No, please don't. Okay. Hello, run. No, 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 no. Fuck. Bro! I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. Hello? Huwag kang gumagapang. Huwag kang gumapang, my friend. I hate that sound. Ambo. Parang may memories ako sa mga ganyan eh. Yung sa call center namin dati, yung mga ano, tawag dito. Yung meeting ano namin. Meeting location. Conference room yun. Meeting location. Kaway-kaway nga pala sa mga dati kong nakasama sa trabaho. No? Kamusta na yung mga pagmumukha? Tumaas na ba ang sahod nyo? Hello? Masaya na ba kayo sa buhay niya? Uy! Diba? Wishing you all the best, guys. Kilala nyo na ako sino kayo mga pagmumukha nyo. Hello! I hate this shit, bro. I hate this shit. Uy, belated happy birthday nga pala. Binati ko na to eh, si, ano, shoutout nga pala kay QA Lord. Diba? QA Lord? Subscribe ka naman. Uy. Baka naman pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel. Ay, walang masama. Arto. Okay. Magugulatin. Battery, okay. Another set of battery. Okay, someone is there. Someone is definitely there. So we should be running. Right. Am I doing the right thing? Ay, fuck you! What are you doing to me, bro? Nakamute pala tayo, no? The full session. Escape lang natin. Ayusin lang natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Hello? Shoutout din pala sa aking ama, no? Na laging nagla-like ng aking live stream. Share mo na rin pa. Di ba? Oops! Wait lang ha, wait lang. Hello, wait lang. Okay na, okay na. Are we good? Pinatay ko lang yung YouTube natin nakabukas eh. Kasi nga, nagkukos ng logging. Logging summary. Hoy! Uy, ano ba? Minsan ba namimiss ko rin mag-MOM? Mag-MOM kaya ako. Uy! Madalas namin kasi ginagawa nung ano eh. Sa aking dating trabaho. Nung ako'y QA pa. Diba? We're just seeking to find a better payout. Hoy! And sometimes you just need to go when you felt that you are not growing and supposed to be being part of that family. Hoy, family. Diba? Maraming reason. Ay, kabayo. Wala. Okay. Wala. Sorry po sa kabayo. Lagi ko nababanggit ang kabayo. Bro, stop that, bro. Ulumpuhin kita, bro, eh. Should I hide? Where should I be going? Should I hide here? Ay, fuck you! Wala talaga. Hotdog. Nakita niya pa rin ako. Fuck you, pastor. Huy! Is that pastor? Father pala siya, hindi pala siya pastor. Father. How many batteries do we have?
How do I get out of here?
Do I only have 2? 1, 2, or 1? I only have 1 batteries left. Bakla-bakla ng pagkakasabi left. Uy. Op. May mga bagay talaga na kailangan mong i-decide kung go or no. Diba? Sometimes, papasalamatan mo na lang din ang sarili mo na, ay, buti na lang pala, no? Ginawa mo yun. Buti na lang pala umalis ako dun para mag-grow. Someday, masasabi ko rin yun. Kaya pala, there's always a reason for the things that we are, or there's always a reason on what's happening on our life, our decision, kung bakit natin ginagawa yun. Sometimes you just need to trust God and your instinct, di ba? Kasi wala na eh, hindi ka na nag-grow eh. Mag-i-stay ka pa ba? Ayoko nang dumaretso dyan kasi nandyan na siya, I think, right? Lalabas siya bigla doon, diba? Pagkakita natin. Pakita lang tayo ng biglaan. Hello? Oh, see? I hate you, your bot. Hello? Nakakalito kasi yung maze shit na to, eh. Naligaw na tayo dyan. Right. Fuck you! Wala talaga. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ma-overtaken. Zero deaths. Sana ganun ang buhay, no? When you made a mistake, you can always, you can always reset and go back on where you left. Save point mo na. Para you can fix those mistakes. Hoy! Pakalalim mo naman, kuya. Ganun talaga epekto pag di ka pa nagkakape, right? Right? Hey! Hello? Ambo. Fuck you. Oh, sorry po. Sorry for the profanity again. It's not you, it's me. Hoy. Hello? Run, run, bro. Run, bro. Fuck, fuck, look leches. Fuck, 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 fuck. I'm dead. I'm dead. Am I dead? No? Am I still good? Right? Right, right. Okay, am I trapped? I think so. Okay, I am trapped. Definitely I am. Hello? Yun na siya eh. Siya ba yun? Siya na nga. Siya na ba? Uy. Tama? Tama ba itong ginagawa natin? Are we good? Naawa na sa ating yung system? Alright, saving point. Nakakailang minutes na tayo. Should we continue? Let me check. 37 minutes, not bad, not bad. Should we continue our nonsense play? Huy, nonsense. Hello? Anyone home? Do you have any battery for me? Hello? How many batteries left?
How the fuck do I get out of here?
One battery. I know, right? I'm asking the same question, brother. Hello? Is that you, Pastor? Kibuloy? Kibuloy, is that you? Can I open this? Wala siya. Are you gone?
He's coming!
Fuck you! I hate you, brother. Where should I be going if that is the case? Bakit nakaka-distort, nakaka-hilo? What the fuck? Ah, patay. Ba't ko sinalubong? Good job. That's good job for me, right? So I think that's all for me for this session. Shit. I think we should proceed.
Please, wait!
How about you help me, Lynn? Right? Squeeze me. Fuck. Okay, saving. I think we're good. Buti na lang, kinontinue natin. Right? Post na lang natin, hello? So, yun lang for me for today's video. And sorry kung natatagalan tayo mag-live, mag-create ng bagong video. Kasi nga, nabibusy tayo. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful time with me. The one, only, hindi gwapo, hindi cute. Pero titigan mo lang, maaawa ka rin. Diggs TV, right? Right? And that's all for me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye! Bye! Bye! Bye sa mga pagmumukha nyo. Huy!